Hello. Now in this video we are going to see what type of roles and responsibilities involved in software industry. So before going to the topic, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe. Now let's start our topic. So let's say if you are a fresher or experienced people, whoever it may be, so you just have to know the overall idea what type of roles and responsibilities involved in software industry. Okay, so let's say you are a fresher, then you just now completed your education and came out from the your college. Then you wanted to do the software job. At that time, you don't know what is the role, what are the functional roles. What some people were talking like technical roles, functional roles, and software industry. You might be listening to that. You might be get some clumsy idea. Okay, so in that case, this is the right time and the right video you are going through now. So at that time, see, let's say you are a fresher and you just selected for the company, software company, to do the software job. Okay, they given you a system engineer. What does it mean? So system engineer or software developer does they do the software coding part as this is a small example. Okay, so what is coding and how the people will decide, that all we are going to see now. See, there are majorly technical roles and functional roles. Two types of roles will be there in a overall software industry. So for that I will tell you one example. Let's say now I am going to start a one bank, a new bank. Let's say I'm going to start a new bank. Okay, so at that time, I wanted software for my bank. For example, best bank name. Okay, so for that, I just wanted to do the software development part. So I'm going to the software company and asking for just give me a software for my bank. I'm going to start a new bank. At that time, software company, what they does, they have the structure like hierarchy, like hire people like you see. I'll just show you, then you'll get some idea. See here, they just hierarchy like business analyst, product managers, technical writers, software engineers, and quality assurance, system architect, database administrator. These type of roles will be there. The people, lot of people will be there. A lot of employees were there. So at that time, what the software industry does, you just have to give the requirement to the software team. So that requirement gathering part does by business analyst team. Okay, so and what they'll collect the requirement and they do the some analysis whether this requirement is suitable for us or not, and they will take a requirement. After that, they'll give it to the product managers. So the product managers or project managers decide these much of employees resource are required for developing this software, and these are the technologies are required. Solution architects will be there. So these technologies are required, and this is the budget will be expenses we have to put on employees. These all kind of high level analysis part will done by the functional roles. Okay, so the technical writers also, they will write the document part, what type of design flow you have to follow, and what is the outlook, it should be the attractive output, how it would be. These all kind of roles will be included in functional roles. For this one team will be there. And the other requirement is, once we get the requirement and design everything, then we have to develop the coding part. So that software we have to develop for the banking. I have a withdrawals transactions and savings accounts creation will be there, savings account, current account, types of accounts will be there, and financial transactions. There are a lot of transactions will be there, and loans. There are different types of modules will be there. Okay, for all the modules, we will write the coding part, and then we'll do the testing. Testing will be depends on, I mean, the team done by the quality assurance team, and system architects, what they does, they will take a overview and They'll provide the solutions based on the current technologies, ongoing emerging technologies, and then they will give the output to the analyst people. After that, even the database administrator will comes into the place where you want to store the data, in which database is suitable, and how to write the tables, how to write the I mean queries, and what type of data is stored. So what are the queries we have to use if you want to retrieve the get data? These all kind of responsibilities will included in the technical roles. So this is in MNCs we follow this kind of structure. So for roles and responsibilities, even in small scale companies also, the people are less, but I mean one employee can play multiple roles like solution architect and developer and tester as well. So these are the small scale companies, and MNCs will be there. So this is the overview idea. So the technical roles involves the major development part and testing part, as well as the technologies, emerging technologies, and database part. Okay, and where it comes to the functional roles, there's all analysis and reportings, and the presentation to the client and execution part. This all comes under the functional roles. So I hope this is the overview of the technical roles and functional roles I given. This is general things I given. So I hope you understood well about this topic. If you still have any doubts, you please make a comment, and so that I will clarify your doubts. So I hope you understood well about this topic. Thank you. Please do subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.